It's been extremely interesting to analyze the different types of film that there is. I didn't really, going into this class, I knew we would be learning about different types of film, but I didn't actually think about all the different things that go into making a film, like the plot and what writers think about whenever they're writing a film. I didn't think about that for some reason. Um, One of the questions on here is, what are different ways to watch films? So I think it was in chapter 1 that we analyzed that there are a few different ways to watch films, and some of them are better for some people, and some of them just aren't for some people. We analyzed that whenever you watch a movie at the movie theater, for example, there are two lines on the top and the bottom of the screen. And I had never really thought about why there are two lines at the top and the bottom of the screen. But we learned why those are there, and kind of why things like that are put into place. We also learned how whenever you're watching a movie from home, you don't really get that full experience. The quality isn't as good, the sound system isn't as good. So that's not something I thought about. um, we then discussed different techniques that are used in film. Um, I also found that extremely interesting. And then one of the questions is, what do you think makes a good film? So in my personal opinion, I think a good film is something that leaves you thinking outside of the film, something that kind of leaves you with questions, and something that isn't so one-dimensional, if that makes any sense. So for example, one of my favorite movies is Lady Bird. Watching Lady Bird, I identified myself a lot with the character. But not just that, like not just throughout the movie. It also left me questioning why I made certain decisions.